Generation of ASK modulation and demodulation. Generation of ASK modulation and demodulation. Generation of ASK and demodulation. ASK is modulator is a block diagram consisting of comparison of carrier signal generator, the binary sequence from the message signal, the sequence of binary sequence from the message signal, and then band limited filter. And the following is the block diagram of ASK modulator. And basically ASK modulator is first block diagram as shown in figure. ASK generation method, sinusoidal signal, signal, and we have to given to the unipolar binary sequence of message signal. Unipolar binary sequence of message signal, and given to the ASK output band limited signal, output of the band limited signal. Basically, as shown in figure, after sending the binary data in the form of ones and zeros, we have see the waveform of amplitude shifted shift keying. Amplitude shift keying is amplitude shift keying 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. The carrier is continuously varies. Carrier is high frequency signal, digital bit sequence, carrier wave, ASK modulated wave. 1 is carrier is present, 0 is carrier will be absent, 1 is carrier is present, and 0 is no carrier is present. Carrier is present, 1 is 0 bit, and 1 is carrier present, 0 is carrier not absent. In this way, we have to transmitting the waveform of the amplitude shift keying. Digital bit sequence, carrier wave, ASK modulated wave. The carrier generators in the continuous high frequency carrier binary sequences from the message signal makes the unipolar input to be either a high or low, and unipolar, that is the high signal closes the switch allowing the carrier wave, hence the output will be the carrier signal at the input when there is a low output. A low high in the input voltage, carrier output will be get carrier is present at a high, the input signal. Low bit is there is no signal. When we have to switches will be follows from on and off, or allowing no voltages appear, hence the output will be low. The band limiter filter shapes of the pulses depending upon the amplitude and phase characteristics of the band limited filter are pulse shape filters, and demodulation. Demodulation are two types of demodulation is asynchronous ASK demodulation and synchronous ASK modulation. The clock frequency of the transmitter when matches with the clock frequency at the receiver is known as the synchronous methods, as the frequency gets synchronized, otherwise it is known as asynchronous. Asynchronous ASK demodulator, asynchronous detector consisting of a rectifier, low pass filter and comparator. The basically circuit as shown in figure here. First coming the modulator ASK signal on and off given to the rectifier. Rectifier is a diode. When we have to present one bit, carrier will be positive pulses and 0 will be turned to be diode will be off. When we have a positive signal is given, it is forward bias. Rectifier is acting as a diode. Positive will be forward and negative 0 pulse will be negative. The diode will be open switch, uh, open switch, close switch, open switch. This is the way we have to rectify the signal and goes to the low pass filter, synchronous and 1 and 0 we have to get the low pass filter. After that we have comparator, comparing the signals we have to get the getting the original signal, that is the digital modulation signal. ASK modulation signal is given off a rectifier and deliver the positive off cycle output. Low pass filter is suppress the high frequencies and gives an envelope detector output from which comparator delivers the output. Then advantages of ASK. Advantages of ASK is it is offer high bandwidth frequencies. Second point, it is simply receiver designing of the circuit very simple. And next point is third point, we have to get the ASK modulation can be used to transmit the digital data over a optical fiber. We can transmit the digital data over a optical fiber. And ASK modulation and ASK demodulation process are comparatively inexpensive. It is variant on and off key used for radio frequencies to transmitting the Morse code signals. Disadvantages of this disadvantages of this disadvantages of ASK modulation is it is low power efficiency. ASK modulator is very susceptible to noise interferences. Due to this is due to the fact that noise affected the amplitude. Hence, another alternative modulation techniques as BPSK, which is susceptible to error than ASK is used. Another is distortion is more and high bandwidth. It is not suitable for wireless communication and wireless communication not suitable. The applications of ASK. Applications of ASK. ASK is application. It is used for satellite link. It is used for the satellite link. Another one is low frequency RF applications and home automation devices. Fourth point is industrial network devices and wireless base stations and dry pressuring monitoring systems. था एक 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 थांब ये रे थांब तुझको काय रे अब डिग रहा है क्या पैसे का हाँ कहीं खराब है लोड है से थाम रहा चार्ज हीरो नालू से
गाडी अगदी म्हणतो